Viewers, you're welcome to my Tech Guide YouTube channel. So today we're going to be showing us how to remove the keyboard of this laptop. This is Dell Precision. You can see it here. This is Dell Precision M800. So I'm going to put us through how to remove the keyboard. So just go through this step by step. And please don't forget to share this video with friends and family. You're welcome to my Tech Guide YouTube channel. And then let's go into today's tutorial. So for us to remove the first thing we need to remove the cover. You can see the cover here. So remove it. You can use any very slippery document to remove it. So put it in here direct. Make sure that it is sound. Okay, Mombasa. So remove it very careful. So you can see it here. So remove this one also. So remove it. So you can see it's coming up gradually. It's coming up gradually. So be very careful with removing part of it here. So you can see it here. It's gradually coming out. It's coming out. You can see it here. So we have removed this one. So the next thing now is to unscrew it. So you can see it here. You unscrew this. So unscrew this one, unscrew it, and unscrew this one. So when the moment you unscrew it, you have access to remove your keyboard and every other stuff. So after removing the button, then you have access to the keyboard. So this does is way on how to remove the keyboard from Dell Precision. It's very easy. It's a step-by-step guide. So please don't forget to share this video and kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and interesting videos, and share with friends and family. God bless you all.